It is an honor to be here this evening. You know, all of us, every day of our lives now, if you're a resident of Winnebago County, pick up that newspaper in the morning, turn on that radio on the way to work, come home in the evening and turn on the television, and it's almost certain that you're going to be greeted by the day's latest crime. And the truth of the matter is, more often than not, it's going to be violent crime. Crime occurring in different parts of this county. Violent crime occurring in parts of the county that we never expected to see it in the past. Drug deals on corners, violence in our schools. And if the news reports aren't enough, the statistics tell us what each and every one of us know in this room to be true. The highest crime rate in the state of Illinois is Winnebago County. Now there are 102 counties in Illinois, and that means that Winnebago has a higher crime rate than East St. Louis and St. Clair County. Winnebago County has a higher crime rate in Peoria, Plain County, higher crime rate even than Chicago and Cook County. Now there's one simple fact that's holding us back as a community. It's keeping us from running businesses here successfully. It's keeping us from successfully educating our children. It's keeping us from successfully enjoying our neighborhoods. It's keeping us from having something as simple as feeling safe. Now, I can tell you that after a year and a half of being state's attorney, that the law enforcement agencies of this community are highly dedicated and are using all means possible to enforce the law, create safety in this community. But the truth of the matter is that we cannot continue, nor should we expect different results if we continue to do the same thing. Now, in the state's attorney's office, we're making every attempt we can. We're increasing the number of trials we do. We're pushing the cases through faster. We're looking for harder sentences. But the bottom line is that we have to look to any and all means in order to create public safety. And I'm here to tell you, as the Winnebago County State's Attorney, that I support and that I believe and that I know, because it is proven across this country, that when you pass concealed carry, you do have a direct effect on the crime rate of your community. Yeah. Now let's just destroy this myth that if you have concealed carry in your community, that you're going to have gun-toting individuals that are going to take matters into their own hands. And I ask you then, show me which in one of those 49 states that have some version of concealed carry or open carry where this has occurred, and I'll tell you that it hasn't. Because I've looked for those instances, and they don't exist. I tell you that individuals are going to insist that children are going to be at risk because more individuals are going to have guns. Well, right now, almost every individual in this room has the right to own or possess a gun in their home under the laws of the state of Illinois. And I don't see an increased problem with regards to the safety of children. I tell you that when the myths turn to the concerns of alcohol consumption in individuals possessing firearms in a concealed carry state, I again insist on showing me the evidence where that's caused problems or increased public concerns for safety and crime. I tell you that it hasn't. So let's stop relying on that crutch. Let's stop relying on that myth. Let's turn to what is the reality. And the reality is this. In order to be successful and in order to fight crime, the state's attorney's office needs the help of those that are on the front line. And the front line means those that are in the neighborhoods, those are the individuals that care about their community, Those are the individuals that are responsible. Those are the individuals that now carry firearms. Those are the ones that are going to make a difference. So let's right now make that commitment. Let's right now make that resolve. Let's now join and turn to our legislators, turn to our lawmakers, turn to our community. Let's join the rest of this country, the other 49 states, and let's get a concealed carry law on the books. Individuals want to tell you that, well, how are you going to do it in Illinois? It's a big state, it's diverse. The people down in southern Illinois aren't the same as the people in Chicago. The people in Rockford aren't going to be the same as the people in the central part of the state. There are 49 models in this country. Tell me that we can't go to one of them that isn't a success. Adopt that model and allow responsible individuals who are now responsible gun owners to step forward and be allowed to have a concealed carry permit. Individuals that right now can go to other states as residents of Illinois and be given concealed carry permits. I simply have lost the ability to understand the reluctance to pass this law and pass it now. I'm telling you that as the Winnebago County State's Attorney, that all individuals, those who carry the banner of the Second Amendment, those who want personal safety, and those like myself who are charged with the duty of creating safety in the community, command, ask, and demand that this state pass a concealed carry law. It is an honor and a privilege to be the Winnebago County State's Attorney. God bless the citizens of this community, and let's stand together and pass a law that makes sense and gives us all what we deserve and should have, and that's public safety. Thank you for the time.